Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add photo on Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to add photo on your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land on this interface. And in order to add a photo on Temu account guys, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your name and your profile picture icon. Tap on your name at the top left corner of the screen on this interface, and your profile will be shown to you like this. And over here again, tap on your name at the top left corner of the screen, and you land over here. Now in order to add a photo to your Temu account, tap on the photo button at the top of the screen. And you can see guys, when this menu appears, it says either you can choose from library, or after that choose to take a photo from your camera. Whichever you do guys, after going through your process and selecting your photo, you will be able to set that photo as profile picture or profile photo on Temu account. And there guys, this is how to add photo on Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.